Hey everyone, it's been a long time coming, but good news. As of today, the garage is done, or calling it done. The county just approved my electrical and final inspection. So we're gonna call that a victory and move on to the next step. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. We have light, lots of it. 12 4-foot LED strips. We have a floor. Concrete is 5-inch thick with rebar 2 feet on center, preparing for having our lift eventually installed, which we could do now that I've gotten my final. Start bringing in some parts of the lift. That's a rotary 9K 12 foot, so it should be perfect for in here. Basic details, 30 by 30, 12-foot ceiling. We did a 100 amp sub panel fed from the house. I was originally thinking about doing a 200 amp panel with its own dedicated service, but due to our distance from the transformer, it wasn't really economically feasible. And for what we're doing, 100 amp would be plenty. Just did the basics for electrical so far. Got outlets around the perimeter, broken into 2 segments. Went ahead and put our 50 amp plug in for welder, and then I'll run my 220 through the ceiling over there for the lift in the near future. 2 10 by 10 doors. My old garage had 9 by 9 doors, and the 10 by 10s really make it easier to get in and out. And if I ever have another tall vehicle like the ambulance I had previously, that'd make things nice. The 2-foot apron on the front. I had a great time-lapse video of the concrete going in that I was excited to post, and the file got corrupted somehow, so unfortunately no time-lapse there. Bummer. Walk around real quick. Did 4-foot high wainscot just to break up the gray on the outside. There's where we ran our electrical in. I also brought over a second set of conductors and signal wires, so if I want to do a backup generator for the house in the near future, that'll live back here and feed power back up to the house to the transfer switch. So figure if I'm going to be burying cable, I might as well do it all at once. Oh, the sun's washing that out pretty bad, but you get the idea. Say hi, JD. Good boy. So yeah, not really a whole lot to show. I'll try to do another video going through the cost, because that's the question I get most commonly is, how much did all this cost? And it really wasn't too bad. I probably could have subbed out or done a little bit more myself and brought the cost down. But even doing it the way I did, this still took me almost exactly a year start to finish. When I started this off, I had to take down about 6 trees just to prep the site. Kind of hard to believe it took that long, but oh well, is what it is. And here we are. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And like I said, in the very near future, we'll be doing insulation, ceiling, HVAC, lift, and getting this place fully outfitted. But as it stands right now, we're good to go. I can start moving tools in and have a nice place to operate for the winter time. So thanks for watching.